Alright, how's it guys? I want to show you what I'm busy with today. Alright, we've got a Toyota IGE 1600 head that we're busy just prepping and gas flowing a little bit. I want to show you guys what's the best way to do and how we do it. You get yourself a wheel like this. Make sure it's a nice coarse one. It's a 60 grit. And you'll start off just by putting it in a normal drill like I've done here. Okay, I'll show you now. The most important part of gas flowing this head, making sure that it runs. There's normally little divots sitting right there. You see where the shiny marks were? That's where we grinded it. Normally you'll feel with your finger, there's a nice divot and it makes turbulence. So I want to clean that up nicely and make sure that the air comes through to the valve properly. Same with the exhaust side. So you'll start with the wheel that's a little bit big. You start cleaning up this side, and as it gets smaller, you'll see it'll start fitting. You'll do the intake ports, that side. Once it's a little bit smaller, you'll go to the exhaust ports. Exhaust ports are always smaller. Clean it up nicely, make sure it's good. The last tip on your head surface, we make sure we take off with a little pencil grinder all the sharp marks so there's no detonation happening anywhere. If you don't have a Dremel to get the sharp edges off, a little nail file also works. Get the sharp edges off everywhere, because that once you start boosting a bit, you don't want any sharp edges, so you don't want any detonation, and any detonation means damaged pistons. So sharp edges off, and after this it's going to the engineering. They're going to deck this for us and they're going to regrind the valve surfaces. Cool.